These are my chickens and my ducks.
Stop flying.
Can the ducks not fly away? No. Okay. Come down here. This is the pond. Sweet. Another little chicken place here. Nice little patch there. Little thing, whatever that is. Trampoline. Old van. Bit where we have a fire. Old van, what's in here? No seats. Yeah. Come through here. Something in here, pair of ladders. Another spot where we can put some chickens. Look like there's like some hamster cage here. Maybe we could get a pet hamster or something in there. Oh, it's a bit dark, can't see, can you? Ugh. There's Zach. Rat boy, hey, rat boy, come here. It's another little chicken place where we can have more chickens. Alright. Here we go. Here's like some little caravan in here. I'm going to pimp this out, like a sweet little shag pad. Got like a camp bed in here, some scented candles. Sweet. And we come down here. There's like some little shithole back here. We can probably grow some potatoes and turnips down here. Old bath so I can have a washing.
Yeah, not today 'cause it's too wet.
We'll go back to the chickens now. Wow, there's about 40 chickens there. Snowman. Hang on. On 1 sec. I'll throw. And that's about it. Yeah.